start again. It's a rich thing.
So we're trying to do a thing on a budget. We're gonna go with the sheer one, and hopefully her Bobby's fitting this. Hopefully. We'll see. Hopefully it does. Hopefully. These ones are nice too.
Look at that. But they ain't
they're a little too dark for your skin. You want something closer to your skin.
Because that's sheer, so it should show my skin on it.
Yeah.
They ain't got the bodysuit.
No,
So let's look for
the bodysuit would have been nice too.
Just last minute shopping, y'all, for last minute photo shoot.
Yeah. Even with this too would have been nice, but they don't have your nude. That's the only thing. But then again, guys, we can't expect too much. It's Primark, guys, okay? So they're doing pretty good by just having this one, which is nice. Looking for a sheet. This is what we have so far, guys. Creativity in the making.
With no glue.
We'll get through it. We'll see.
I need...
The bladder. Hello.
You sure that? Were you supposed to say right?
Right, say alright. If I gotta say excuse me, let me get the last one.
Behind the scenes photo shoot. Hello. Set up your lights, camera.
And 5, 2, 3, 4, 1. Love and dance party tomorrow.
And you blur it out like the background.
I hope you that you see the vision, right?
You can straighten out. Hey! That being so. Put the thing here, line that up there.
Do you see the vision?
I see the vision.
She see, yes.
Bam! X mark the spot. So we can press that out with photos. You know?
Come on. Behind the scenes, guys.
Look over there.
Y'all gotta see the vision though. The vision is there.
Phone is wrapped. That's bad wrapped.
No.
And I will left all the phones in my ear.
But I kiss on what? Behind the scenes, guys. The photographer. Hey, photographer.
I go. You see that? Eh?
Hold on, come
You right.
Okay.
Wait. Yeah. Look at it now. Do that. Oh my God.
You laughing, right?
Yes, because mommy here is funny because I see it tingly like this.
Really?